I'm Steven, I'm an electrician, and my team and I are on a mission to rewire the state of Kansas. We've come a long way since electricity was first put in homes over 100 years ago, but most of those older homes are still around today, and believe it or not, are still using the original wiring. Sure, things might work, but hidden dangers are common in homes more than 50 years old and can lead to shock, fire, or worse. The good news is, having an older home doesn't mean you're stuck with unsafe wiring. We're seeing a trend. More and more people are opening up to the idea of addressing the root causes of their problems. At Service Plus, we've helped hundreds of families improve the safety of their homes, and we're just barely getting started. What's so bad about old wiring anyways? See, the real problem isn't the age of the wiring. Actually, the electrical hazards common to older homes generally fit into one of 4 categories, which aren't always easy to spot. Long ago, houses were wired with different types of wiring methods than what we use today. We knew so little about how electricity worked back then, so manufacturers didn't use the best materials, and it's not uncommon for those original cables and wires to deteriorate due to corrosion or overheating. Most of us are occupied with our day-to-day lives. We're not thinking about the fact that we use something like 10 times the electricity compared to what we used in the 40s or 50s. Homes were wired based on the power usage at that time, so there are usually not enough circuits to safely support the demands of our modern lifestyles. A new home wired today would never pass an inspection without crucial safety features like grounded child-proof receptacles, GFCI and AFCI, what we like to call shock and spark protection. As code requirements evolve, existing homes are usually grandfathered in, but these technologies have helped to prevent countless injuries and deaths over the decades. Electricity can be confusing, but that doesn't always stop people from trying to do it themselves. There might even be a sense of accomplishment if everything works when you flip the switch, but functional does not equal safe. Licensed electricians go through rigorous training to understand electrical theory, code requirements, and develop the skills to master their craft. If your wiring wasn't done by a professional, it's possible you created even more problems in the process. Electrical wiring, devices, fixtures, and equipment were never intended to last forever, and many of these older homes are going to need to be rewired before it's too late. Responsibility feels good. I invite you to take a proactive approach to home safety. With our Safe Home Survey, you can get the insight of a professional and find out where the safety of your electrical system stands. With our Safe Home Survey, you get the focused attention of a certified electrician on what could be one of the most dangerous aspects of your home. We sum up our findings in a simple report. You'll also get photos of problem areas and explanations in plain English. At the end of the survey, we outline our recommended next steps towards your unique safe home journey. At that point, and only if you'd like, we will build out your personalized corrective options with exact upfront pricing, flexible payment plans, and results backed by our world-class warranty. You'll have a wide range of options to choose from, and the more core concerns you have us address at once, the more money you'll save on your project. For those who are ready to solve all their electrical problems from now until long into the future, I'll simply say, rest easy, Rewire. When you upgrade all your wiring at once, you can get the character of an older home without compromising on modern safety features. On the rare occasion that a homeowner stumbles into this realization on their own, they're often told that it's too much work or that all their walls will have to be torn open. But that's simply not the case. Because our electricians are specialized in older homes, we're able to offer a complete rewire of your home with no holes, no messes, no moving out. We pride ourselves in our ability to fish cables into some pretty tricky places. If you have us quote a rewire for you, the exact upfront price we provide is for a total rewire with 0 extra holes in your finished walls and ceilings. If we have no choice but to make an extra hole or two, we'll refund a portion of your bill for each spot. We clean up as we go with drop cloths and vacuums and remove trash daily. We promise to leave your home cleaner than we found it. We can work around your lifestyle. Each day you'll know what areas we plan to work in, and we'll prioritize getting power to the electrical appliances that are most important to you so that you can go about your daily life.
I would highly recommend Service Plus to anyone experiencing electrical concerns in their older home. The experience has been fantastic. With their expertise in historic homes, they protected the lath and plaster. It wasn't a huge mess for us to come home to. We were actually able to live here while it was taking place. I feel so much safer with my family being in the home, and it just makes us proud to know that the home can withstand modern electronics for another 100 years.
So, how do you know where your home safety stands? If you go to safehomequiz.com, you can discover your home's electrical safety score and what to do about it in less than 5 minutes. 6 simple questions and you'll be on your way towards the safe home you deserve. Let us guide you to your peace of mind. Rest easy. Rewire.